Hello and welcome, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, in our last class, we studied about the dramatic art, right? Today, we are going to continue with the same topic, that is dramatic art. We are going to see which were the foremost people who were knowing this dramatic art and who were very famous in this. So we already studied about the first paragraph in it, that we saw that why this dramas were played. So basically it was, these dramas were played to entertain the people of all the age groups, and basically the drama was scripted, or it was already written, and there were people who used to act accordingly, right? So the names of Jaishankar Sundari is foremost in the dramatic art of Gujarat. Besides Amrit Nayak, Bapulal Nayak, Deena Pathak, Jashwant Thakur, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi, Deepak Ghiwala, etc. are remarkable playwrights. There is a great contribution of regional and other drama institution in this field. So basically these people are very famous in the fields of drama. Now our next art of drama is Bhavai. You must have already heard about this Bhavai, right? This Bhavai is still being played in many parts of our Gujarat. Let's see what's there. Script writers have said that Bhavai is emotional oriented drama. It is special dramatic art that started 700 years ago by Asit Thakkar. So this person who started or originated the dramatic art of Bhavai. So basically Bhavai is also a scripted writing, and it is mostly oriented on the emotional thing, right? It is very emotional, and Bhavai dramas always gives us a particular lesson, or it tells, or it awares the people about many things. So basically this Bhavai is an emotional oriented drama. This art, which has been providing public education along with entertainment at the economical rate, promoted during Solanki era. So basically this was started during the Solanki era, and this art, which was being provided public education, it was giving the public education to the people, but along with entertainment. So at the economical rate promoted during the Solanki era. So it was not only giving us the not only it was giving us the public education, but it was also entertaining as well, right? Bhavai basically are the plays which are being in which male acts as in female. They dress up like females and they act like females, right? I'm sure you must have seen this Bhavai. There are still many dramas being played like this in our Gujarat and in our Surat as well. So basically the original aim is to give mass awareness as well as entertainment. It gives awareness to the people as well as it entertains people. Bhavai are mostly one night of performance, right? They are played during the night or whole night. Mostly you must have seen Bhavai, and they are played during the night, and the whole night that drama is being played. Along with that, the word Bhavai has been basically come from a Sanskrit word, or it derives. What does Bhavai means? Basically it means that Bhav means emotion, and Bhavai in the last came from the word Vahini, which means that which means that Vahini means career. So thus it is named as an art form which is a carrier of emotion, right? It gives us emotional touch and it also entertains us. So this was started during the Solanki era. It was chiefly performed without curtains, with light humor and with the music playing on the trumpet. So in this play or drama there is no curtains, like it is only directly been played, and there are characters who come and go. You must have seen, so you have an idea that how the bhavai is being played. There are no curtains, there is only play which is continuous. There is no any cut or nothing in between. There is no break in this drama. So characters disguised in the form of Ramdev, Jhanda Julna, Kajoda, etc. the main features of the bhavai. So these are the basically main features. Theme of bhavai include protest against social vices. So basically this act gives us a social awareness, and there are themes regarding that only. The characters like Rangla Rangli are used to promote the program like girls education, save the girl child, etc. Those who perform this bhavai play trumpet and pray to goddess by reciting hymns. So those people who play this bhavai, when they start performance, they pray to goddess by reciting hymns. Means there is a slok which they say when before starting the drama. So now our next topic is folk dances of Gujarat. So there are many folk dances of Gujarat. As we all know, there are different dances in different parts of our Gujarat. There are various dance forms belonging to different communities of Gujarat, right? So there are many different dances of different communities of our Gujarat. These dance forms are according to the traditions and customs. So basically this form of dance is based on the traditions and customs of that particular area of Gujarat, or their traditions. Among them are tribal and folk dances, Garba, Ras, and many more folk dances. Such art of dance can be seen at the times of festivals, marriage, and fairs. So there are this folk dances, tribal and folk dances. There is Garba and Ras, and many more folk dances. Such art of dance can be seen at the times of festivals. So you can see this type of dance and many other things about the dance of Gujarat during the times of festivals, marriages, and fairs. So in this festivals, marriages and fairs, they perform dance. They perform their traditional form of dance. So over here I am going to stop with the chapter. I'll continue with the tribal dance in our next class. So till then, thank you.